Hello everyone, this is the InStyle Knitting Studio. Today, I will show you how I join the starting row in the round. I do it pretty much the same way as everyone else probably. I make sure that nothing gets twisted here. Next, I transfer this first stitch to the right needle. I pick up the last stitch we cast on with the left needle. I throw it over the stitch we moved. We slide it off with the left needle, just like that. We pull all the tails we've pulled. Now we transfer this stitch. In other words, we have actually decreased one stitch now. We move this stitch back to the left needle. We've tightened the yarns. Now we mark the beginning of the row with a marker. And that's it. It turns out that after we joined our fabric in the round, we decreased one stitch. So when casting on stitches, we need to cast on one stitch more specifically for our joining, since we will decrease it later. This method of joining works perfectly for knitting hats. I use it almost all the time. So I hope this lesson was helpful to you. If it was, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe and see you soon in new lessons. Bye bye.